How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To catch up, Maria is shopping at the supermarket. So is her old friend, Alex. Alex, is that you? Who is that? Is that Maria? Maria from high school? Alex! Wow, it's been years. How have you been? Oh, life has been a roller coaster, but overall, it's not so bad. How about you? Same here. We should definitely catch up over a cup of coffee one of these days. That sounds like a fantastic idea, Maria. What have you been up to? Quiz time. What does to catch up mean? To reach to the sky? To learn recent information? To take something from the ground? To catch something. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To learn recent information. Phrasal verb secrets. Catch up often means to update oneself with the most recent news. This verb is frequently used in conversations between people who haven't seen each other in a while. We should use the preposition with here. Catch up with a person. We can use on if we want to use other nouns after this verb. In this context, we can catch up on the news or catch up on the most recent events. Phrasal verb extras. Catch up can also mean to reach the same level or standard as someone or something else. In this other case, we should use the preposition to indicate a noun after it. During the race, the red car caught up to the blue car and ended up winning. Examples. We should catch up with each other over coffee. I'm sure there's so much to tell. During the holidays, I usually catch up with my extended family. Every day, I open my news app and catch up on what happened. Have you caught up with anyone recently? Let us know in the comments or in the Discord server. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. It's been years. I haven't done something for a long time. Life has been a roller coaster. Life has been turbulent. Overall. In general. In total. What have you been up to? What have you been doing? Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.